The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale, summarized in just 3 minutes. Most people drift through life without ever discovering why they succeed or fail. Earl Nightingale changed that with one powerful truth. We become what we think about. That's the strangest secret. And here's how it works. 1. You are what you think. Your dominant thoughts shape your reality. Think success, and your mind will start to find ways to achieve it. Think fear, and you'll attract more to be afraid of. Whatever you plant in your mind, that's what will grow. 2. Set a clear goal. Successful people have one thing in common: a definite purpose. Write it down. Read it every day. If you don't set the destination, you'll drift forever. 3. Act with courage. Most people conform to fear, not faith. But leaders take action in spite of fear. Don't wait until everything's perfect. Move forward, confidently and consistently. 4. Work with gratitude and growth. Start each day with gratitude and growth on your mind. Put value into the world, and value will return to you. It's not just about money. 5. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. That's how Nightingale defines it. You're successful the moment you start chasing a meaningful goal, not when you arrive, but when you decide to move forward. Repeat this daily. I become what I think about. So think wisely, think boldly, think big.
Welcome to a place where inspiration meets action. If you're ready to grow, uplift, and be part of a positive community that shares powerful stories, hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey. Your next breakthrough starts right here.